We usually start music lessons with learning note names. But the first thing we really learn about music is how it makes us feel. So this video is about the emotional qualities that come from pairing notes together and what we call them.
Notes have functions, the musical alphabet and C major scale. We want to start with notes at rest. C and E are restful. We want to find the same notes up the keyboard. The way you locate C and E is to find a pair of black keys, and it's the two white keys on either side of them. Now let's look at F and B. Do you feel that stress? You can resolve it by stepping out. It feels resolved because we're back on our restful tones again. See, this is E and C. It's just reversed from where we came from. I rattled off the letter names pretty quickly, but we can take our time to figure out the notes to remember the musical alphabet. We started with C and E, so we can use logic to figure out that the note between it is the letter D. And then we can expand that group by going up. C, D, E, F. The letter that comes before C is B. And then we're going to include the whole musical alphabet by expanding from A to G. The musical alphabet goes from A to G and it repeats itself. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F. And we're going to go up to B again. Our stressed notes, F and B, but I'm going to flip it upside down. I'm going to put this F on top. That's still stressful even though it's upside down. And then we can step in to resolve to C and E again. Here's what we want to do to make some nice sounds on the piano. We want to use a hand over hand technique. I'm going to have my left hand play C, E, my right hand play F, B. Notice how F and B is next to the C-E pairs, and there's two white keys that are right next to each other. We want to find the double whites. And we also want to connect it smoothly. I have what's called a damper pedal or a sustain pedal on this, and it makes the notes sound long. I'm going to play hand over hand these double notes.